So type it here, come back, so this token. Right, we are not going to use this token. Because we have already generated token, write this token. We will be passing this token now. OK. This token, we will be passing for creating this account in here, right? So, how I can do that? Go to the authorization menu here. Here in the drop-down type, bearer token, in the bearer token write. So what token we copy here? Copy this whole token. Come back to your create account. In the authorization, choose bearer token and paste this token. And Ctrl S. So my body is ready now. Go to the body parameter now. And what body parameter we passed, right? Let's say for creating application from your Postman. I will be passing, so not this building. Attribute building doesn't look good to me, right? Let me delete this building. I will add again. I will be giving first name, whether it is there, okay. One attribute. I type first name. Then last name, I will be sending. Last name. Add it. Here what else variable should I pass? City, let me pass OK. These three variable along with that OK. What else? Description. Some description should be there, OK. It is not there. Or email. I am just passing all this, so if I do some random value, right? And some random value. So it generated the body like this. So copy the whole body parameter, right, and come back to your Postman. In the body. See, I cannot choose in the body. XX because it is giving it this format, right? So format should be a raw format. In the raw it will give you all the information to type it. So now give a enter for a better look, right, from comma. It will be ended. Again. From comma try to hit enter and from here hit enter. So this is like your body parameter, right? I need to pass a real-time body parameter. Let me pass it as like in a nil. I will pass last name case dash. It will be give something whirling and email ID I will pass in. Let me pass some dummy like a nilk at that mail.com. After sending all this information now, click on send. Let's see what happened. So it said the 202, it is created. Okay, this user is created. Now, if I go to my REST API, right, go to this window. Basically my Explorer window, right, and go to LOL. Type here users. Right, we created a user. Now, okay, users. Users, right, yeah. Click on the users. So total 625 user is there. Maybe this is what is the date. Today is June 29th. Right, so all the user are created on June 28th. Okay, I am trying to sort it out, okay. Okay, see this date. It is like I believe it is a UTC date, right, that's why it is June 28th. Till now UTC. Guys are writing behind us in India. Or maybe you are in US, right, so maybe that. Okay, so it is June 28th. They are behind us. See Yunilk at the red Gmail user got created right. So this is how right you will be testing the API. Right. In your Postman, and this is for your create account. What about the, target account? To get the account right. So similarly, if you go back here, right? To API Recipe Explorer. I will be retrieve record if I click on the retrieve record right. So this is asking the Sysit basically what ID you want to retrieve. Okay. So if every user, if I go open this user. Does it have a Sysit? Okay, this is the record I created. Let me open a record which is already present. Okay. Create a right, so create user, basically handles or any user. Problem determine if I open. Okay, it's not there. If I try to explore the API right. And I handle a code sample. How I can send a request. So I created a user here, right? Let me try to find out. There is any Sysit present for this user, Sysit right or some ID. Does it have Control F? Control F type ID. Okay, this Sysit. Okay, it is there if I try to fetch this Sysit. I will give here. Okay, and after that? See this URL for getting the Sysit I should use OK. Now if I try to send. What happened? Do not do OK. So it successfully sended. Send able to send. So this is my gate URL should be OK. And this is my. Same way. Application is send by token. I have to pass it OK. And it is generating the result for me. So in the response body it is sending all the information to me. So what I can do? I will be creating another request here, right like create account. Click on 3 button. Click add right. And here. I will be mentioning, oh sorry, let me edit it. Get user OK. Get user. It is something I am writing OK. And here. So I should method. I have to pass this URL, OK. Pass this URL. So basically the user's ID, we are passing in the URL itself. OK. And after you do that again write the same thing. This is your header. Right. Go to your header. So in the header type this accept OK. And type the application. OK. And here. Content type. Type the content type. So, basically, this is how you are gonna write. Prepare your Postman. The reason I am showing all this thing directly. I would have shown you prepare the Postman right, or I could have exported the API and show you right in the how to prepare the JSON. But there will be a gap while you will be developing application in the REST place, how the Postman works and how the API are generated, right? So to maintain that gap. Okay, I am trying to show you here. So after you pass all this information, right? So I will be not passing this token, because this will be generated by my application, the connection. So I can simply go to my connection, right? Copy this, see manually. I am doing it here in the Postman, but this token it should auto-generate it in your code while you will be preparing the JSON. Okay, so you need not to pass manually. Go and type here. Authorization here be a right, you shouldn't pass it. Okay,